PBS Kids Birds ID Bloopers. Take 1. Cut. This is not Teen Nick. This is PBS Kids. Take 2. Cut. The image is not supposed to be in grayscale. It's supposed to be in full color. Sorry, I thought this is the 50s. It's not. This is in the 2010s. Take 3. Cut. This is not Nick at Night. This is PBS Kids. Take 4. Cut. This is not Nick Jr. This is PBS Kids. Take 5. Cut. This is not rated TV PG DOSV. This is not a TV show. Take 6. Cut. This is not FXM. This is PBS Kids. Take 7. Cut. The image is not supposed to be upside down. It's supposed to be right side up. Take 8. Cut. This is not Nick Mom. This is PBS Kids. Take 9. Cut. This is not Boomerang. This is PBS Kids. Take 10. Cut. This is not Nicktoons. This is PBS Kids. Take 11. Cut. This is not ABC. This is PBS Kids. Take 12. Second to last take. Cut. This is not Noggin. This is PBS Kids. Final take. If you mess this thing up, then I am done. Perfect. Great job.